So if you guys want to, this is ridiculous. If you guys want to like start maybe on this little bit, and Freya and I are going to be up here, and all I want you guys to do is like walk away from us until you feel pretty small. So if you start quite near us, and then walk back towards us, holding hands, just to sort of get you in the gist of like being photographed and stuff. I know, I've got so many layers on. So
which way do you want us?
if you guys like head straight down, just holding hands, looking at each other, that's fine. It's insane. Freya, this is nuts. Yeah, beautiful. So same again, just back towards us, holding hands, looking at each other. Yeah, ace. Looking at each other. He loves it. Yeah, beautiful. If you want to sort of walk parallel to us, but could you lead by a pace? It's so slippy. Murphy, come up here. Murphy, come here, come here, come here. Yeah. Yeah, ace. You're going to be looking at each other a lot today. Yeah, ace. Then we're just going to come closer as we do this. And then if you feel comfortable enough there, as you like pull each other in, can you like belly bounce a little bit? So a little bit. Yeah, like that. Yeah, go one more time for me, but like a bit more aggressive. Yeah, one more, one more. Could you guys move to like the right a little bit, just so this my right, your left. Yeah. Yeah, just so that big twig isn't like blocking you. How slippy is it there? Yeah? She saw. Maybe come up a little bit. Hello. So, all I want you to do is kind of like hipstery poses. So if you guys like hold hands and sort of pull each other as far apart as you can. Yeah, like that, but keep your legs a bit like tighter together. Yeah, beautiful. And then all I want you to do is look opposite ways to each other. Yeah, ace. And now looking at each other for me. Almost like pull her in and like sort of curl into his body. Like you're on Strictly. Yeah, like that.
Do you want to just like face each other, guys, and just kind of like, you know, if you were like cooking pasta in the kitchen and then you just have a hug while you're waiting for it to boil, what would that look like? Yeah, you.
Little pasta hug.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep pasta hugging for me. So, whilst you're pasta hugging, Hayley, if you could like look at us, and Connor, if you could like trace something dirty on her cheek with your nose. What was that?
That was a dick.
And then if you can look at each other. Yeah, I mean, if you feel confident. Right, guys, if you sort of head down to where Murphy is, I'll bring you a scarf. Just holding hands and like looking at each other. It's actually insane, isn't it? If you're holding hands, all I want you to do is like pull each other apart and pull each other in and sort of like bump hips with each other. Yeah, yeah, exactly like that. A little bit harder. Hey.
And then maybe if you do like one arm like down your leg, yeah, and then like hold that hand. Yeah. So it's like cute and like.
Yeah, ace.
Okay, yeah.
And then looking at each other. Ace, I'm just gonna come real close. Yeah, cute. So if you guys want to sort of head up here, just holding hands and like looking at each other. Maybe like 20-30 yards, not much more. Yeah, Ace, looking at each other. Cute! So, if you guys want to head down, oh, that's really cute actually. Oh, I didn't expect such a cute pose. So, if you want to like come back up, sort of bumping hips like you were, yeah. How do you feel about a piggyback?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Ready?
Yeah, sort of. So you see the two rocks in between, like in front of you? Yeah, like just past that first one. Yeah, there's perfect. It might actually be quite good if you do it off of the rock, because then there's a bit of like height.
Yeah, you can like down.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh. Okay. So before you do this, so all I want you to do is don't walk or anything, but just give her the most uncomfortable piggyback of her life.
No drama.
Like proper shake her around. Essentially, like 50% try and throw her off. But don't. I've done this before, and the bloke just went fucking, and she went flying. So just don't do that. Yeah, get her up here. Get. And then looking at each other if you can. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, you smashed that. So I want to do something like that's going to look real cheesy, but we're not going to photograph the cheesy part. So, if you
This has just been against the dog.
I know, I quite like it though. So, if you've seen Titanic, I want you to like arms out. Okay, I kind of want you to like interlock your fingers over. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then if you step to one side a little bit so we can see you. Right, Connor, I'd like you to try and hug Hayley.
Okay.
Do not let him. Do not let him. Okay? Try and hug her. Try and hug her. Try and hug her. And okay, let him hug her. Yeah, there you go. Looking at each other. That was ace.
Do you want to go like just to the kind of edge of the mound bit? Yeah. Just come away from the rocks, guys, just because you're going to walk towards. Yeah. And then turn and face us. And then you're going to hold hands. And then like this.
Yeah, like proper like clasp on.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
And then you're going to walk towards us and just like keep in super close. And be in sweet with them. Yeah, nice. Just like looking at each other.
Yeah, ace. Going for a little kiss if you can. Cute. Beautiful. So all I want you to, yeah, I mean, just like kind of maybe the hipster pose again. That would look quite cool. Yeah, looking at each other. Mental. Absolutely mental. Yeah, then walk towards and like pull each other in. Yeah, beaut. How's your ankle feeling?
It's okay.
Do you want to do like a little bit of running if you can?
Try.
So start down there. I'd like you to run towards me and I'd like to catch you.
Sit.
Okay, ready when you guys are. Run, yeah, go, go, go. I quite liked it.
Let's try again this time,
Like, yeah, like a pick up and whisk. I really respect you guys for doing this in the rain. Yeah. Yeah, do you want to come back a little bit? Yeah, there you go. Three, 2, 1, go, go, go! I did, yeah.
If you go like under bum.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, like that you don't.
Yeah, ace. That was the perfect last shot.
Yeah.
I know it sucks for me, but it's fine. It's like a Victorian vibe.
Yeah, I think I'm really happy.